Let's see how we can add YouTube videos to our web pages with the help of the iframe tag. So I'm gonna maximize the browser and create a new tab, and in the address bar I'm gonna write youtube.com, and here I'm gonna search programming with Adil. You can see here is my channel. I'm gonna open this and play a video, pause this, and then I'm gonna click on this share button. Then you have an option which is embed. Click on this. You will get a HTML code to add this video to your web page. So I'm gonna copy this, minimize the browser, go back to my code, and inside the body tag I'm gonna paste that. Let me go to our homepage output and save the index.html file. You can see in our web page the video got added. Let me minimize the browser. You can see in the src attribute we have the video URL. Then the width is set to 560 pixel. The height is set to 315 pixel. The title is set to YouTube video player. Then we have the frame border attribute which is set to 0. Then we have this allow full screen attribute, which means user can play the video in full screen. And in this allow attribute we have some playing permissions like accelerometer, autoplay, whether the player can autoplay the video, the clipboard write permission, then encrypted media, gyroscope, whether the video can be played in picture, whether it can be web shared. All the good stuff is added by YouTube in this iframe code. So this is how we can add YouTube videos in our web page with a snap of our finger.